daming tao. Gusto mo lang yun sa bahay. Gusto mo na uwi. Gusto mo punta mall. Punta pa tayo mall. Sasakay ka pa sa horse. Let's go? Where do you want? Okay, we will do that. Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? Robinson. Oh, you wanna ride the carousel? You will ride the carousel. And the train. You wanna go with? And we will buy. What do you want to buy? Wow, we will buy dress. What do you want to do there? What do you want to do?